Ethereum USDT, and I have two buyers on it. One is, as you can see, from daily perspective, or let me say weekly perspective, the guy is actually in an uptrend, as you can see. So it's actually in an uptrend. So go by when the higher time frame perspective. So this is bullish. So I'll be looking for uh buy, and I can spot this pattern like something like head and shoulder stores. And if such pattern forms in the higher time frame like weekly, is to carry with I'm spotting something like this. So Ethereum can drop to this key level. Who knows? Sooner or later, probably. So that's what I actually saw. So when I actually change my bias for all the either bullish or something. So we have a major BOS here and the liquidity here right here. So on getting to daily, so it's give us a clear source like that. Yes, and you can see if a token is actually in an uptrend in the higher time frame, when you get to like lower time frame, it's going to give you like a price will be coming down. Because why this is so is because price wants to go and tap into the key level so that I can buy. Okay, so that's why you see price will be forming lower, low, lower, 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 lower. So it's not as if we are practically high in the downtrend. You can see major barriers to the downside, but then I will stick to higher time frame. What is actually testing? Forget about the I can't say you should forget about the pattern, but it's actually speak volume. So it's also here on the daily, so you can spot this pattern here. So it has not fully formed, but I can see something like in my head and shoulder, and this a very bearish reversal pattern. Like it's not even reversal pattern because this thing is actually on a downtrend on daily time frame. But I told you that if a higher time frame said okay, the particular token or pair is actually on an uptrend, is bullish, when you go into lower time frame, it's going to give you a series of lower lows for that internal structure, so that what the price is trying to do is to get to the demand zone or key level so they can start buying, and they align with the higher time frame trend. So that is exactly what Ethereum is doing. So here is my bias. We have liquidity here. So at this point you are seeing where price is actually currently trading, we have liquidity to clear to the upside here, and we have another one resting below here. So what Ethereum is going to do is that if it decides to clear this um last high liquidity, if it clears it, I'll be selling it down to this level again. And if it decided to it decides to clear this bottom liquidity, two bottom liquidity, like is that price decide to drop and clear this liquidity, no way is going to no doubt is going to get to this demand zone. So I'll be buying to this level again. So this is my bias on Ethereum as far as Ethereum is concerned. I think BTC also have that kind of structure, but then again, this is how to understand structure. You get so to make translation here. So we have set the trap already. We have the demand zone here. We have the supply zone right here. If price decides to clear this liquidity, then we're going to be selling it because it's actually uh you know a valid supply and demand zone marked here. So that is it. If it decides to clear these two bottom liquidity, then I'll be buying from here. Do we have any liquidity to be cleared? Yes, we have. And this zone, we have another demand zone here with liquidity. All right, so let's just see how price is going to unfold as it unfolds. Thank you. This is Haribis by the Tosh.